Michael Grinder here. I just want to share with you what my life is like, and you may be experiencing some of the similar things. In the past, I would go off to work, and I would do my job, and then I would come home. And when I did that, what it was my home was my castle, and work was somewhere else. Now, I have to be home and work as well as I don't go away. So it's like I'm contaminating my whole location. Sometimes I feel like I'm just in the dark. I don't have the ability to know who I am or what I'm doing at a given moment, because the part of me that's me that I used to have at my castle and the part of me that is my position, they're now together. So now I got to figure out what to do. Doggone it. COVID has changed everything. And if you're a parent, please, God bless you. Thank you for trying to understand how to be the liaison, the go-between between your child's school and what your child is trying to learn at home. That's not easy. And if you work from home, that's really, really tough in addition. So now the question is, so we're contaminated. We have two different locations that are now overlapping like crazy. What do we do? I want to strongly suggest we've got to figure out how to sort out when am I being work and when am I being home. Probably the best way to do it is through the nonverbals. If you can, try to have two different locations. I mean, it'd be nice if we could have a place that we do our work at home and a place where I leave that location and now I come back and I'm being myself. If you can't, see if you can take and put like a cloth on top of the dining room table where you eat, so that when you are at work, you know you're at work because of the cloth. And then take it away when you finish. Anything that will do a difference in terms of size, color, shape, that will really, really help you a lot. If you can't do those, then go time. When I'm doing something at a certain time, I am in one part of my world, and then I'm another part of my world when I finish that time. But if you can't do the nonverbals of color, size, shape, and time, please take a break. If you ever took a class, whether you were at college or somewhere else, and you were studying one particular book for an exam coming up, and you finish that study, if you set down the book and you pick up another book because you have a second exam coming up, you're going to find you mix them up. You'll be taking the test on one and the answers to the other content appear. What do you do when you have to have a given location and you have to study and do more than one thing? Take a break. Finish the book. If nothing else, walk to the other side of the room. Come back. Now open the next book and you'll be okay. So please take care of yourselves. And if you're parents, thank you so much for what you're doing. If you're working from home and you're a parent, bless all of us, because we're going to need it. Final thing. Let's be realistic about how to get our sanity. If you are in an abnormal situation and you have an abnormal reaction, please know that's normal. You're fine. Give yourself grace. Michael Grinder here. Thanks.